With the Scada wall drain, the drainage specialist Kessel provides a suitable solution for straightforward, safe and fast installation in a wide range of different situations. Installation of the Scada wall drain from Kessel is explained step by step in the enclosed installation instructions. Care must be taken that no moisture penetrates the floor. Special openings on the drain guide this moisture, so-called seepage water, into the drain. These openings are added on site. The installation board must be set flush to the final screed height. This makes the exact measurement of the installation height of both the gradient wedge and the installation board essential. Scada has three optional outlet connection possibilities: to the left, the right, or the front. The installation board is cut accordingly at the respective predetermined breaking points. A conventional cutter will do the job. The outlet adapter is lubricated, inserted, and screwed in place. Cover caps are used to seal the two outlet openings not being used. The first section of drainage pipe is cut to length and inserted onto the outlet. A visual inspection ensures that the drainage pipe is connected properly and firmly to the outlet. The Scada wall drain is also offered with LED lighting. It produces an impressive atmosphere in the shower area. Different colour concepts are available. In addition to the predefined colours red, green and blue, the light can also alternate between the three. When connecting the cable for the LED strip, make sure the cable is pulled through to the marking. The hexagonal nut is then fastened hand-tight using a wrench, guaranteeing a tight connection. The cable is pulled through the cable conduit provided. The cable conduit itself is simply inserted onto the connection adapter. The installation board is glued to the floor using COLAK adhesive and the mounding application technique. Important: after the board has been set in place, it must be aligned horizontally to the required installation height. Directly after the installation board has been set in place, the gradient wedge is also laid using the mounding technique and firmly connected to the installation board. A special construction adhesive is used for this. It has been tested accordingly and is available as an accessory from Kessel. After setting, the gradient wedge must also be aligned horizontally. In the next step, the wall is built directly on top of the board. After the wall has been plastered and the screed laid throughout the room and been allowed to dry adequately, sealing tapes are laid at all the transition points between the board, gradient wedge, wall and screed. Special care must be taken that the sealing tapes are laid exactly in all the corners. After the sealing tapes have been cut to length, they are glued in place using the special adhesive Dry Usk. After priming, the composite seal is applied in 2 layers in compliance with the requirements of the ZDB information sheet and the guideline for composite seal coatings. The board and the gradient wedge have already been sealed in the factory and do not require extra sealing. It is important for the composite seal coating to be applied over the sealing tapes between the wall and the screed. After the composite seal is dried out for at least 3 hours per layer, tiling work may begin. The 3-sided gradient must be taken into account when cutting and laying the tiles. For the LED versions, the power pack included in the scope of supply is suitable for in-wall installation in accordance with the standards DIN 49073 and VDE 0606. It must be connected by a qualified electrician. The power pack transforms the current down to 12 volts and 5 amps and is thus suitable for the wet zone. Please observe the detailed installation instructions. Once the entire shower and tiling work has been completed, the protective cover is removed and the stainless steel cover is fitted. There are 4 stainless steel covers to choose from. The protective cover ensures that the Scada wall drain does not become soiled or damaged at any time during the building work. Installation of the Scada is now complete and your shower has a new highlight. We hope you enjoy using it.